Hello, and welcome to Trash Talk, episode 2. I'm here with Vlad. How are you, Vlad? Great. We are really excited to bring you the second installment of, what's it called, Vlad?
Trash Talk.
Trash Talk. We've got our special intro music that Vlad has put together. Some nice beats to get us into our podcast. Okay, Vlad, we've got a bit to talk about. Yep. We don't have long to talk about it, so let's kick things off with our special visitor on Tuesday. Amy came from the Port Adelaide Enfield Council, and what did she talk to us about?
She talked to us about the rubbish and the Raingarden. We even got bins.
We got
talked to us about the rubbish and the Raingarden. We even got bins that came with some stuff about it, and there was only enough for compost and recycling, but Raingarden missed out. There'll be more when she next come back for the Raingarden, as in when we go to the excursion there.
Yeah, so Amy's going to organise some more of the compost caddies and the green compostable bags and the stickers for us. So unfortunately, the people from the Raingarden group, there weren't enough for them, but we did have a lot of people there. And we were able to tell Amy about what we're doing here at school, and we learnt about what the council's doing for sustainability. And do you think Amy was pretty impressed, Vlad?
Yeah, she was rather impressed.
Yeah, I think we got to take her down to the Raingarden too, and she really liked checking out what's going to happen with the Raingarden. That was exciting, wasn't it? Okay, second thing to talk about, Vlad, is the BinShift bins and recycling.
Oh, yeah.
What have we noticed now that we've got some of the BinShift bins around the school?
BinShift bins, they're only in one area at the moment, but about next year, they'll be everywhere.
Yeah, so what have we noticed about where people are putting their waste now? Is it getting better?
Yes.
We have got those BinShift bins out, and there's about, I think, is it 6 or 7 different bins?
These are the bins, just to let you know.
Okay.
There's recycle, paper, landfill, 10 cents, and compost.
Soft plastics?
Yeah.
I think there's those as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
And they're all colour-coded, and they've all got written on them what goes in.
Yeah.
And I think people are starting to pay attention.
Yeah, and there's big ones and small ones. The small ones are for less stuff, like the smaller stuff. The big ones can go higher up.
That's right. They can fit more waste in them,
The
can't they?
original ones were the smaller ones, then we started upping them. And also, we have put the spray bottles in the kitchen garden.
Oh, you know what, Vlad? That was on my list to talk about. We gave one of our special BANB7 Sustainability Group surface sprays to Amy, and we've also put some. Where have we put them?
In the front of the kidney. Also, we're thinking about putting the Mary Worcester's mug there. So if you want to do a walk, go there. And also, if one of your kids goes to kindy, your parents can also get them from there.
And that's important because
yeah,
we're a birth to year 7 school, aren't we? So we've got to include all of our family members and students who are in the children's centre.
Yeah, and the little kids.
The little kids.
Yeah.
And if we can start teaching them about sustainability, that's going to be great, isn't it, Vlad?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And more stuff.
Yes.
On topics.
That's right. Okay, the next topic we're going to talk about is a bit of a hotspot update. What have you noticed around the yard, Vlad, around our rubbish hotspots?
Hotspots are going down.
That's good, isn't it?
Yes.
Why do you think they've gone down? Why do you think there's not as much rubbish out there?
Due to the goodness of the sustainability group, and also where we put so much rubbish in the middle.
Yeah, do you think people learnt something from doing that? They actually saw how much waste we were producing and thought, we need to do something about it.
Yeah, Yellow 5 is getting juice boxes for the guinea pigs, and Red 2 opened the car wash with only sustainable stuff.
That's right. So we had the car wash raising money for the year 6-7 graduation as well, done by some students in Red, which is
Red 2, by the way.
Red 2. And it's really exciting to see people using, like you said, sustainable materials. Okay, quick Raingarden update, Vlad, because one of the reasons that you're one of the hosts of Trash Talk is that you're a part of pretty much all these groups, which is fantastic. What's been happening in the Raingarden?
Well, we got it much bigger since the last Trash Talk. We got pathways. We're about halfway there. Yeah.
Is it looking a lot cleaner now we've cleared out some of the the debris from in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got rid of some of the old sticks, and
Yeah.
we're still finding rubbish in there that we're getting rid of, but it's looking pretty
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Back when we first started, every time there was rain, tons of rubbish would come and the rain wouldn't stay in. It would just go out every 5 minutes.
That's right. What's happening now?
Now the rain's staying in for quite a bit of time and less rubbish is appearing.
And we know where that rubbish is coming from, so the
Yeah.
fact there's less rubbish means there's got to be less rubbish in the yard, yeah?
Yeah.
That's got to be a good thing.
Yeah.
All right, now, we're nearly finished for today, but Vlad, I know what everyone's waiting for.
Yeah, a joke.
Do you have a joke for us?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do T-Rexes use for the floor of their house?
What do T-Rexes use for the floors of their house? I don't know.
Reptiles.
Reptiles. Oh, very good, Vlad. Did the crowd like that one? Of
Yes,
course they
obviously,
did.
that's a
Of
good one.
course they did.
That's a good one.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for listening to episode 2 of Trash Talk with Sam and Vlad. We can't wait to bring you episode 3. And we might even have a special interview with our compost king here at BANB7, Rico.
But I am in charge of. I'm sort of the recycling king of. I'm sort of the recycling king of the recycling group, and that's the other king. That's one of the other kings.
Yes, and
Rico from Compost.
It's great to have so many people who want to help us on our mission to be more sustainable. So thank you, Vlad.
Yeah.
Any shout outs? You want to say hi to anyone?
So for who are listening, friends, I'll say hi.
Excellent. Thank you, Vlad.
Hi, friends such as Sajid and Addy.
Oh, fantastic. All right. Thanks for listening to Trash Talk. We'll be back soon with episode 3. Bye.
Bye for now.